5 seconds. Start. Honorable members, it is our responsibility to provide appropriate opportunities, environment, and quality education to enhance the talent of children. In this regard, the Pradhan Mantri Innovative Learning Program will be started in order to attract children early enough at the school level towards technology. Suitable infrastructure is being created through the Atal Innovation Mission. The work of establishing Atal Tinkering Labs in about 9,000 schools across the country is progressing rapidly. Similarly, Atal incubation centers are being set up in 102 universities and other institutions. Impressive performance in sports competitions at the world level enhances the pride of the country as well as increases the interest of children and youth in sports. It also strengthens the culture of according primacy to health in life. To make India a global sports powerhouse, it is important that talented players living in far flung areas of the country are identified and their selection process is made transparent. To identify the players at the state and district level, it has been decided to widen the Khelo India program. Under this, 2,500 talented players have been selected and are being trained. Now, this facility will be provided to 2,500 new players every year. The sports infrastructure in the country will be modernized as well as expanded. A new system is being evolved to make available modern infrastructure and facilities to the players. It is our endeavor that our players win high accolades in the sports world and enhance the prestige of our country. Economic development plays the most vital role in improving the lives of our countrymen. Today, India is among the fastest growing economies in the world. Inflation is low, fiscal deficit is under control, foreign exchange reserves are growing, and the impact of Make in India is clearly visible. India is now on the way to become the world's fifth largest economy in terms of GDP. To maintain the high growth rate, reform process will continue. It is our objective to make India a $5 trillion economy by 2024. Work is underway in full earnest to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. Keeping in view industry, a new industrial policy will be announced shortly. In ease of doing business, India has leapfrogged 65 positions during the past 5 years from a ranking of 142 in 2014 to 77. Now, our goal is to be among the top 50 countries of the world collaboration with the states.